A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
You know how some people stay, right? Today, them all over you. And tomorrow, they're ready to kill you. I saw people stay. But now watch that. Just stay focused on your mission. Where you come here to do. And nobody look left nor right. Think about that. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share with all of your friends them. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 12, from verse 9 to verse 19. The next day, the big crowd where they come for the Passover holiday, here said Jesus, the depending way go to Jerusalem. So then take some palm tree branch and go for meet him. And then shout out loud, say, praise God. God bless the one when he send come. Him send him with fame power. God bless the one where king in Israel. Jesus find one young donkey and sit on upon it. Now, what happened? Happened same like how it write down in a God word. It say, no afraid, people will live as Zion. Could they? Your king a come, him sit on upon one young donkey. No, Jesus follow them, they understand. They something a fuss off. After Jesus dead and come back alive and God show how him big and powerful, the member then sitting there did write down about him and that them did happen to him. So now, the crowd of people when they did around Jesus, when he did call Lazarus out of the grave and make him come back alive, did I tell other people about what did happen to Lazarus? So the crowd of people go out to meet Jesus because they hear about the big miracle where him did do. So the Pharisee them say to them one another, say, uno si say, uno can't do one thing. Could they? The whole world run after him. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.